Good morning everyone. My name is Samriddhi Jain and I have designed SafeShield AI. So safety is not just a priority but it's a basic human right. But in today's world, people are still unable to get the help during emergency. So keeping this problem in our mind, we created SafeShield AI, an AI-powered safety platform. So our project SafeShield AI is designed to improve public safety using artificial intelligence, concept and smart emergency system. So it is an all-in-one AI-powered mobile application that transforms your smartphone into a personal safety device, detecting threats before they happen and responding instantly what they do. So our project mainly has two connected systems, a citizen safety app and a government monitoring dashboard. So as you can see, problems like road accident, missing person, harassment, theft, and even delayed police response are increasing rapidly in the modern cities. So why did we choose this topic and why does this also matters? We chose this topic because public safety is one of the most important real world problem today. We thought smart AI based system can help improve emergency response and public safety. As you can see the data, in every 4 minutes a crime is being done. 53 children go missing and only 28% of the people feel that the emergency system are fast enough. So our app has some key feature. On the citizen side, the app provides emergency SOS button, live GPS location sharing, emergency contact, AI accident detection. The most unique feature on the citizen side is the emergency SOS button. For example, if a person cannot openly press the SOS button, they can type or they can speak the secret code, that is 1234. The system silently sends the alert to the government dashboard. On the government dashboard, authorities can monitor emergency alert, live maps, AI notification and nearby CCTV systems. So the CCTV cameras are AI powered. They can detect suspicious activity and sends alert to the authorities. So the workflow of our system is that the AI basically detects, it analyzes and sends the alert to the government dashboard. Our target audience are primarily women and girls, college students, travelers, elderly peoples. The benefit of SafeShield AI is that it auto-detects the problem. It is a real-time danger zone heat map. Its response time is reduced to under 5 minutes. In future, this project can be expanded using real AI camera integration, wearable device support, voice AI emergency assistant. At last, SafeShield AI is not just an app, it is a movement towards intelligent, proactive public safety by combining artificial intelligence with everyday technology. We can protect millions of people before the tragedy strikes. So now let's preview the app. So when a person enters in SafeShield AI, they have to choose a role. If we continue as a citizen, it is mandatory to register this. This is the main citizen home dashboard. The first feature is the SOS button. If the user is in danger, they can basically send the secret code or they can use the option track me. If we send the emergency code, an alert sign comes. So they can, if a person cannot openly press, alert is being sent to the government dashboard. The second feature is the live location sharing. These allow the emergency contact and the authorities to know the user's location. They can also, even the users can also see the nearest safety unit. There are also contacts so they can save. And person can also send the report. For example, they have detected an accident on AB road, they can basically send the report. Now if we go to the government dashboard, it is mandatory to upload a government ID and it is mandatory to have a government access. Here a siren is being played that we have sent. You can see the accident detection that we sent the report. Here the dashboard shows the alert, location and the risk level of the whole city. It also includes CCTV monitoring integration. It is a real implementation. AI would analyze the CCTV feed and detect suspicious activities such as theft, violence, accident or kidnapping. then the person can basically send the safety team towards that location. And here it is an AI powered CCTV camera. So basically camera also detect the problem. If they detect, the authority has to verify that and then send the safety. So the best emergency response is the one that happens before you even know that. Thank you.
How do you plan to reach out to your stakeholders?
So using this app, like we wanted this app to be a tool for authorities so that they can help.
But do you want to give a demo to the respective government officials?
Yeah, on small scale right now, then on large scale.
What city have you come from? You said Lucknow?
Indore.
Indore.